Noorderwind live. Met Willem de Vries.
Alle dagen na Omroep Friesland.
En een hele goede middag, 8 minuten moet waan. Welkom bij Noorderwind op deze wijze. En net samen Noorderwind, een hele speciale, in ieder geval om 3 uur van de middag. Want ik ga hele speciale gasten hier op televisie en radio, You Live. En ik ben heel blij dat ik ze onkundig mij, want ik ga namelijk de Dublin Legends te gast. Ze komen naar Nederland af voor een tournee binnenkort nog in Grange, maar You dus in Loud in de Noorderwind studio. Ik had dus Sean Cannon, Eamon Campbell, Patsy Watchhorn en Gary O'Connor. Live in Noorderwind.
Thank you very much indeed. That was a little tune there called The Irish Washerwoman. Now we're going to sing a little song this time called The Ferryman, and it's all about the ferry boat workers who used to for many years ferry the little boats on the Liffey, but in 1983 they were all made unemployed. And this is the story about them, the ferryman. So here we go. The little boats are gone from the breast of our Liffey. The ferrymen are stranded on the quay. Now the Dublin docks is dying, and the way of life it's gone. And Molly, it was part of you and me. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, you kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever loved me, Molly, love me now. Was the only job I knew. It was hard, but never lonely. The Liffey ferry made a man of me. Now it's gone without a whisper, I've forgotten even now. Sure it's over, Molly, over, can't you see? Here we go, lads. Where the strawberry beds up, sweep down to the Liffey, when you kiss away the worries from my brow. But I love you well today, I love you more tomorrow. If you ever loved me, Molly, love me now. Fire away there, lads. Now I'll tend the yard, I'll spend me days in talking. Hear them whisper, Charlie's on the dole. But Molly, we're still living And darling, we're still young, and the river never owned my heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, will kiss away the worries from my brow. I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever loved me, Molly, love me now. One more time. Where the strawberry beds, that's her, sweep down to the Liffey, will kiss away the worries from my brow. I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever loved me, Molly, love me now. If you ever loved me, Molly, love me now. Thank you. Oh,
Well, here's an old favorite called the Black Velvet Band. In a neat little town they call Belfast, now apprenticed to trade I was bound. And it's many's an hour sweet happiness have I spent in that neat little town. Till a sad misfortune came over me, which caused me to stray from the land. Far away from my friends and relations, betrayed by the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. I took a stroll with his pretty fair maid, and a gentleman passing us by. I knew she meant the undoing of me by the look in her roguish black eye. Oh, a gold watch she took from his pocket, and she placed it right into me hand. And the very first thing that I thought was better look to the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Now before a judge and a jury, next morning I had to appear. The judge, he said to me, young man, your case it is proven clear. We'll give you 7 years penal servitude to be spent far away from the land, far away from your friends and relations, betrayed by the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. So come on, you jolly young fellows, and a warning take by me. When you are out on the town, me lads, beware of them pretty colleens, for they'll feed you with strong ale, oh yeah, until you were unable to stand. And the very first thing that you know, me lads, is they've landed in Van Diemen's Land. Her eyes, they shine like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band.
Ja, de Dublin Legends, Hewitt, live te gast in Noorderwien. Big hartstikke grutskop dat ze hier binnen. En natuurlijk binnen het eigenlijk gewoon de Dubliners. We hebben nog een spultje en daar wil ik even een oproep voor doen. Dat kun je mij doen. Het gaat om een Dubliners noemer en we gaan in je zin even een oerzet in het Fries. En je mij meedoen via nw.rommelfriesland.nl of uw sms-nummer 0620 499 Uit welk nummer komt dit fragment?
Ik ga naar huis, naar mijn ouders, en zal bekennen wat ik dien heb.
Je kunt nog mailen of sms'en om het kwartier van 4 uur. En dan maak je in ieder geval even bekend waar het won had en wat de oplossing weer natuurlijk. We laten hem nog een keer jaren.
Ik ga naar huis, naar mijn ouders, en zal bekennen wat ik dien have.
We translated one of the songs of the Dubliners into Frisian. Do you have any idea?
No, Frisian. I didn't even Frisian language.
Yeah, something like that.
My God, I know at some stage last year we actually played there's a national anthem for this area here, and I think we learned it in about. I know Sean is our linguist specialist here.
He's learning Gaelic, I saw.
He speaks 5 or 6 different languages, but we had to learn the melody. I think it took us half a day to learn it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you did it.
Isn't it fantastic though to have your own tune that's from this area? I think it's very special.
Dit is de stem van Gary O'Connor. Hij is eigenlijk nog een van de jongsten van de band. Volgens mij is hij begin 50. Hij er krekkelin bij kwam en eigenlijk met de nieuwe bezetting dus op tour toch heel Europa heen met de Dublin Legends. How did you, did they ask you or did you do something like, did you call for a place in this band?
No, I'm the 100-meter specialist in Ireland. I'm taking
Serious?
I'm taking on Usain Bolt next year. No, the very famous musician that I'm playing instead of Barney McKenna passed away last year, and from over the years I played in different bands, and I know the lads over the years from playing in festivals and things like that. And I was asked to step in when Barney was in hospital before he died a number of years ago. So and from my age group growing up, we all know the songs from the Dubliners. Yeah. I mean, I grew up with this music.
We too here in Friesland.
Well,
so they asked you, and it was, I think, an honor to play with them?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, Irish music is so popular. There are so many banjo and fiddle players in Ireland. To be asked, yes, of course, it's a very, very privileged. They could have asked any number of great musicians back home, but of course, I'm delighted to be here.
How are the reactions on this new lineup?
Well, I think it's a surprise to me anyway, because the last festival we did, I think was it in Moseley, lads, the big festival in Moseley in Birmingham, and the age group was so young, you know, teenagers and young people in their 20s in front of the stage. I think there was even a hen party. That's when someone is getting married. There was about 20 of these lovely girls and one girl who was getting married the next day in front of the stage. But it's great, and we had great gigs in Austria and in Switzerland as well. So it puts more pressure, of course, on the band as well. You're not playing to audiences that are with you for 60 years. We are in some stages, but this new audience puts more pressure on you to perform and to match their energy.
Watch our audience today. Opvallend, want hij had wat publiektalenten. En ik kreeg een heel soort mailtjes echt voor jonge mensen. En dat vind ik ontzettend leuk. Hij vertelde hem dat ze heel Europa trok in. En dat het eigenlijk een eer is om met de Dubliners te spelen en op tour te wezen. Natuurlijk in Ierland ook een begrip. En toen ze hem vregen had ik voor het jaar zijn. Hij voel al snel aan de 17. Ik ga nog even naar Sean Kenneth, want dat is dan like voor de oudste van de band. Hi Sean.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, nice to be here again.
How's your Gaelic?
Coming along, thank you.
You're learning it, isn't it?
Yeah, tá méid fáil na Gaeilge.
Is it a hard language to learn?
Oh, an Jackar ar fad.
Pardon? Hij is Gaelic. Hij weer kreeg voor uitsturing en heeft een heel lesboek mee van het Gaelic. Dat is er aan het studeren. En dan begon hij mij in het Gaelic praten. Maar dan jij ik al, maar dan praat ik gewoon Fries waarom. Dus dan ga ik hem met te pakken. Hij is bot met taal dwaande. You know, playing in a sort of new line-up. Is it okay to be on the road and play Dublin songs?
Yeah, well, we three have been going to for a good number of years.
Very long, isn't it?
I'm over here a quarter of a century in the band, and I was nearly a third of a century, over 30 years. So we're and Jerry, of course, now is a great.
It's a young man, isn't it?
He's taking the place of two men. He plays the fiddle and the banjo. Not fair.
Were you ever afraid that it would stop with the Dubliners and the Dublin Legends? Are you happy, with other words, that you're still on the road now?
Oh yes, as long as we're able to do it, we'll keep going. Yeah. And you know, the name is an illustrious name. The Dublin, very historic and very important name in Irish history and music. But as William Shakespeare says, a rose is just as sweet by any other name.
Can you play more songs?
Yeah, we'll keep at it. Yeah.
I just call you the Dubliners, live in Noorderwien.
very good. Do you like that? That's Jerry there, one of the best tenor banjo players in the world. Time to sing another song for you this time, and it's a little song from Belfast. It's a little children's song. Jeez, I'm getting old. You may be familiar with it anyway. If you want to join in the chorus, you're very welcome to do so. It's called I'll Tell Me Ma when I go home. The boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair and stole me comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting a 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Albert Mooney said he loves her. All the boys are fighting for her. They knock on the door and they're ringing the bell. Say, no, my true love, are you well? Out she comes as white as snow. Rings on her fingers, bells on her toes. Well, Johnny Morrissey said he'd die if he didn't get the fella with the overnight. And tell me, man, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled me hair, they stole me comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a curtain 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Whoa! Let the wind and the rain and the hail blow high, the snow come tumbling from the sky. She's as sweet as apple pie, she'll get her own lot by and by. When she gets a lot of her own, she won't tell her ma till she gets home. Let them all come as they will, it's Albert Mooney she loves still. Oh, tell me ma when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair and stole me comb, but that's alright till I go home. She's handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She's a courting 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She's handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She's a courting 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Thank you.
De Dubliners live in Noorderwien. En als je me nog zien willen, ik kan je morgen hier om 12 oktober naar Greens te gaan. Want dan spelen ze, denk ik weer de pan van het dak hoor. Dat kijk je hem nou wel voorspellen. Binnen wordt kaarten voor trouwens. En straks hier nog meer live muziek van de heer No. Rechtstreeks op televisie en radio trouwens. En dat je komende snij niks te dwaan had, dan mij om 1 uur de televisie even zetten. We wordt dit programma in geheel nog even herhaald op televisie dus. Ik zit hier tussen op intussen een redelijk verneemde Gouden Bank. Nice me, om beide kanten 2 heren die ik heel goed ken. Bouke Algra en Harry de Jong. Harry de Jong is Menje Mickey's altijd bij ons te gast, maar een mooi verhaal uit de popmuziek. En hij had alle grutten intussen ontmoeten en ik de Dubliners. Maar ik begin even met Bouke Algra, want dat is de man die hoe lang Bouke al de Dubliners toert, terug Europa?
Nou Willem, ik denk dat dat al 40, 44 jaar is.
Best ooit bij hun kwam.
Nou, ik ben die man uit Sint-Niek nog eens wij dingen mut in Bolzert in het park. En dat wie mut wie grut bij Les Green die tijd. Maar er waren weinig mensen. En die man die kwam bij me, die zei, Bouke, dan moest de Dubliners helly. En ik denk, de Dubliners, wat is dat? Maar ik ben er Thomas indoken. En een maand later speelden de Dubliners in Heerenveen. We werden in Oeren uitverkocht. Het tweede concert ik in Oeren en het derde ik in Oeren. Dus dat is onvoorstelbaar. En sinds die tijd werk ik met de Dubliners.
Toen was ik mij maken, net alleen in Nederland en Friesland, maar ik toch heel Europa heen. Is die Dubliners mania, de liefhebberij, de Just Stewart, van jonge woord, die vindt het prachtig, die komen erop af. Is dat in heel Europa, hè?
Dat is echt in heel Europa zo. De Dubliners, Amerika, Australië, maar de meeste tijd wonen ze daar net in. Maar het is nog stil daar. Dus de enorme belangstelling bij Scandinavië, die bij Engeland, die in de zaal. En ik in deze nieuwe opzet is dat fantastisch. Ik vind vooral de nieuwe Dublin Legends heel erg sterk. Het is wat frisser, het is wat vrijer en zo. Bij alle respect Barney en John en zo, maar die hebben ook hun eigen traditionele ideeën aan zijn. Dit is frisser allemaal. Ik ben heel enthousiast hoe dit gebeurt.
Hoe is de sfeer met die man? Ik vind ze ongelooflijk relaxed, heel erg makkelijk. Tuurlijk, het draait om muziek, dat moet goed wezen. Hoe je dat vergelijkt bij mij bijvoorbeeld de eerste lichting van deze band?
Ja, dat wie natuurlijk, daar hier we een paar mensen die zitten als Luke Kelly en zo. Dat wie net het makkelijkste, als je al die problemen en zo. Dus dat ging wel. Maar uiteindelijk ben hier een vreselijke lieve mensen en kerst alle kanten uit. Zelfs bij Luke Kelly, ik op zich geen probleem. Maar dat wie was wat heavier. Dus dit is iets makkelijker. Maar ik heb nooit noemenswaardige. Er wist ook een hele hoop oorartiesten niet. Dus ik ken het Bing Chuck Berry's of zo. Dus dit is allemaal een stuk makkelijker.
Ja, nou, hartstikke mooi. Het straalt er helemaal vanaf van de man. Links mij, Rjoks voor de kijkers thuis, mag ik nog zeggen, maar ik word toen wennen, Harry de Jong. Want die had hij altijd op een radio, menjes. De Doors, Stones, Beatles. Daar had ze intussen al je van die Noorshorn. Maar dan de Dubliners. Is toch oorvolk dan die grote rocksterren?
Nou, als je die grote rocksterren, dat is ik al prima volk. Ik bedoel, die hebben echt net zoveel potenties als mensen omroos van hun denkt. Maar ja, wat dat betreft passen de Dubliners precies in dat rijtje. Dat ben ik, jongens. De jongens uit de kroeg, maar wie is de gezellige jongen hebben kerst. Dat is, ik interview ze nou af van jongetjes zo'n 80 of 84 is Luke Kelly overleden. Hè? Dat wie ongeveer het moment dat ik er binnenkwam met mijn verhaal. Ja. En sinds dit hier heb ik ze al gevolgd. Ik heb de diverse lichtingen. Dubliners heb ik mij maken en dat wie altijd perfect. Dat wie altijd hartstikke leuk. Als ik in O'Daniels kwam om de man te interviewen, dan vloeiden de pinten rijkelijk en de verhalen werden steeds mooier. En ja, ik kwam iedere keer weer zeer opgetogen en schommelend van de drank natuurlijk van links naar rechts.
Ja, dat spuist er net in. We gaan ze hier in Ljouwts, ben op tournee, maar toen best wel een paar keer inderdaad in Jillon West. Toen had ze daar dan echt in de kroeg nog getroffen. Volgens mij bent dezelfde man dan, hè?
Ja, ik ben precies dezelfde man. Ja. Ik bedoel, toen wie ik zei, het laatste interview wat ik mij van hier, toen wie John hier daarna bij, maar zie ik al de instrumenten bij zich en toen die Wiense Krek een tour aan het voorbereiden, waarbij ze eerbetoon brengen woon aan hun oude overleden makkers en dat uit is ik al gauw in het vest gespeeld en uiteindelijk wie geen interview weer, maar wie een complete sessie. En het grappige weer, dat zie je op dat moment bijna net amazing hoe dan nieuws, maar het feit dat zij rond de tafel zitten te spelen, de stamtafel, daar worden sms en dan worden we bellen en binnen de kwartste keer zit er dan je stam vol. De meesten stonden zelf buiten te luisteren, want dat kwam eigenlijk nooit voor dat ze daar live spelen. Dus dat ben memorabele jong, ja.
Trein van de Fjouwer herinnert al heel lang met mij de Dubliners. Begin ik een beetje op leeftijd te komen. Zit de sleet erop, vind je? Of is het nog steeds zo fris en muzikaal als 23 jaar verlien?
Ja, dat is het gekke juist. Hè? Als ik ze nou hier weer als de Dublin Legends, ik vind het weer ontzettend fris klinken. Heel apart. Dus het is eigenlijk weer het is weer een hoofdstuk wat helemaal van voren nou aan begint bij de Dubliners. Ik heb denk ik nog nooit zoveel verhalen geschreven als hoe de Dubliners. En als ik dit zei, nou dan ben ik nog lang naar Duitsland. Ja. Soms als ik jongens let aan de tafel en als ik te scroeven, dan kwam mijn dochter voorbij en die zei, oh je bent zeker weer bezig met een verhaal over de Dubliners. Ik zei, ja, het vier verstandigste.
Ze krijgen mooie tradities en dat jet ik een beetje bij deze groep natuurlijk. Bouke, ik had steeds voor de Dubliners. Zit ik het dan helemaal fout? Of?
Nou, ik vind dat John Sear, de violist die er vorige jaar uitstaat, die is wat flauw. Die wordt de namen net kwijt. Dus vandaar dat we deze move maken, de Dublin Legends. Maar ja, iedereen weet dat dit natuurlijk de Dubliners binnen. Dus ik ben wel met John bezig om dat ik op te lossen. Die beetje Iers en zo. Dus
ja, is het al wel wat koppig dan?
Een beetje koppig en zo. Dus.
Wij vriezen alles van. Maar...
Het is moeilijk, de meeste spelen natuurlijk met de naam, maar iedereen weet wel dat dit de Dubliners binnen. Ja. Dus,
dat bloezen toch ik?
Dat bloezen ik, ja.
12 oktober komen ze in Grijns. Ze doen heel Nederland gewoon 12 optredens in totaal?
11 optredens is de totaliteit waarvan Grijns. Dus Grijns is altijd een heel mooi optreden. Hè. De voorverkoop rent ik enorm goed en zo. Maar 12 oktober wordt een hele leuke jong. En dan kennen mensen echt zien hoe goed dit nou weer worden is. Dit.
Ja, vrees je straks zelf even wat ze dan spelen hier. Gentlemen of the Dubliners, do you like to play more songs? Live in Noorderwin!
Yes. The day we went away, sailing out of Dublin in the morning. Our thoughts were on tomorrow as we kissed the girls farewell, and I dreamed around the day of our returning. There'll be dancing, romancing, and evermore we'll roam. They'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea, when the boys come rolling home. We safely reached the other side in New York City Fair, in spite of wind and rain and stormy weather. We all sat down to take because we wished each other well, and we said we'd all come back again together. There'll be dancing, romancing, and evermore we'll roam. They'll be rolling in the Well, Bill went up to Boston, Sam to Buffalo, Joe went out as far as California. I used to get some letters then, but that was long ago, and they always spoke of Ireland and returning. There'll be dancing, romancing, and never more we'll roam. They'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling home. Well, I'm well over 80 now, me grandson's by me bed, and I'm here in Chicago and still scheming. He says he'll bring me back again to rest me weary head, and I leave him a legacy of dreaming. There'll be dancing, romancing, and never more we'll roam. There'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling home. There'll be dancing, romancing, and never more we'll roam. There'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling.
Thank you. I met my love. I was only caught yet by the Gasworks Cross. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. Kissed my girl by that factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Well, clouds are drifting across the moon. Cats are prowling on their beats. Blow. Springs again from the streets at night. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I heard a siren from the docks. Saw a train set the night on fire. Smelt the spring in that smoky wind. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Fire away there now, boys. To make a big sharp axe, shining steel, tempered in the fire. I'll chop you down like an old dead tree. Dirty old town, dirty old town. One for the road, lads. I met my love on the Gasworks Cross. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. kissed my girl. Very good, come on. By the factory wall. Lads, come on, give us a hand. Dirty old town. Dirty old town. Dirty old town. Dirty old town. Oh my God.
Here's a nice little slip jig. 'Twas in the merry month of June, from me home as I had left the kettles of shoe, as sad and broken hearted, shook unto me father dear, and kissed me darling mother, drank a pint of beer. Tears and grief his mother then off to reap the corn. Leave where I was born, I cut the stump back down to Banish Coast, and gobbled it in a new pair of brogue, rattling over the bogs and frightening all the dogs on the rocky road. To Dublin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt the hare and turn her down on the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, what for Lally. In Dublin next arrived, I thought it was a pity to be so deprived of view of that city to the hen. I took a towel all among a quality bundle that was towel. In a neat locality something crossed me mind, and I look behind a bundle got a find upon me stick. I wanted inquiring after the rogue, I said to me convict rogue wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road. To Dublin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt the hare and turn her down on the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lally. In Mullingar the night arrested in the subway, here he started by daylight with fears of pride, and here he took a drop of the beer to keep his spirits from sinking. That's the fatty's cure. Whenever he troubled with thinking to see the lasses smile, laughing all the while at the me curious style with that dear heart a bumble and asked if I was tired. With desire acquired till I was almost out of the rocky road. To Dublin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt to here and shutting her down on the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, one for Lally. I soon got over that, and my spirits had never failed, and I handed on the key as the ship was sailing. Captain Atby roared, swore that no remedy. When I jumped aboard, I haven't found for Paddy. Someone among the pigs that played some rummy rigs and done some hardy jigs. The water round me bubbled and when off Hollyhead. Wish myself was dead, I bet the fire and sit on the rocky road. To Dublin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt to here and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, one for Lally. The boys of Liverpool, well, when we saved the land, I called myself a fool. I could no longer stand, it blood began to boil. Temporary, it was the double roll air and oil. They began abusing her army boys, so I had a fly. Call me boys, I was a bubbling with head along with the ray. Join me in the affray, quickly clear the way for the rocky road. To Dublin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt to here and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lally.
Dublin Legends. Straks nog meer van de man hier live in de studio. Wij. Maar ja, ik heb een oproep gedaan op internet. En via komen er dan wat verzieken binnen om eens even bij dit concert te werken. Opvallend een aantal jongeren. En die ging gewoon even vragen. Waarom de Dubliners?
Waarom de Dubliners? Ja, het is ontzettend gezellige, warme muziek. En daarnaast kun je er ook heel een feestje mee maken. Dat is zeker.
Ja, wat lange tijd wie het een beetje volk. Dus voor oude meisken, dat hoeven wij net. Maar je zit je toch, en net als enige jongeren.
Nee, zeker, met z'n vieren.
Ja. Draai met Wolles, denk je even een Dubliner plaat op?
Heel vaak. Ja, met regelmaat.
En ben het dan de klassiekers? Of,
vooral, ja. Ja.
Nou, die zit een muzikant, weet ik. Jouke, waarom de Dubliners voor die?
Ja, gewoon wat Pieter ook zegt, gewoon gezellige biederingmuziek eigenlijk. En we mogen het zelf ook graag...
Vinden ze zelf ook, denk ik, hè?
Dat denk ik ook, ja. We spelen het zelf ook graag met de band en ja, helemaal geweldig.
Ja, en geweldig deze man, hè?
Ja, helemaal top. Echt super.
Muzikaal, goed, ik herinner nog even terug. Nee, jonge dame, echt zo'n Dubliner fan?
Ja, helemaal.
Al lang trouwens?
Ja, eigenlijk vanaf kind af aan al.
En dankzij waar? De ouders? Of kwam het op een manier op het spoor?
Nee, echt mijn moeder. echt op de zaterdagavond met de fles wijn op tafel en de familie over de vloer. En volgens mij begon het al vanaf dat ik een jaar of 5 was. Ik weet niet beter.
Oh, geweldig. En hoe is het dan om die man zat te zien?
Ja, geweldig natuurlijk. Hè?
Deze echt, hè?
Ja, ze zijn helemaal...
Helaas, de eerste generatie eerder nog net meer, maar dit ben wel echt de Dubliners, toch?
Volgens mij wel hoor. Ja hoor. Ja, vind ik
Dus
wel.
ik mag gewoon de Dubliners nemen.
Vind ik ook. Dat legend gedoe er maar af. Vind je niet?
Ze zijn wel legendarisch genoeg. Dank u wel. Ik ren even naar de monta, want can you do 2 more songs for us live? Dubliners live! Hey!
Oké, dank u wel. Dank u wel. Dames en heren. Here we go with a song which seems to be very popular. It's called Whiskey in the Jar. As I was going over the far from Kerry Mountain, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol and I then produced me rapier. Thanks stand and deliver, where you were about the saver was sharing of a doer of it all. Work for the daddy-o, work for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Early in the morning, just before I rose for travel, up comes the band of troopers, and likewise Captain Farrell. I first produced the meat pistol, Barbie Rapier she had stolen. I could not shoot the water, so prisoner I was taken, was sharing of a doer of it all. Work for the daddy-o, work for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went into my chamber, all for it to take a slumber. I'd silver, gold, and jewels, and sure it was no wonder. But Jenny took me pistol, she filled it up with water, and sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Was sharing every doer of it all. Work for the daddy-o, work for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If there's anyone can aid me, there's me brother in the army. If I can find a station in Cork or in Killarney, and if he'll go with me, we'll go roving in Kilkenny, and I'm sure he'll treat me better than me slide as even Jenny was sharing every doer of it all. Work for the daddy-o, work for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. There's some take delight in the carriage of the rolling, and others take delight in the hurling and the bowling. But I take delight in the juice of the barley, and court and pretty fair maids in the morning, bright and early, for sharing of a doer of it all. Work for the daddy-o, work for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. For sharing of a doer of it all. Work for the daddy-o, work for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.
Thank you very much indeed. Well, wonderful audience. I would like to dedicate this last song to fellow musicians, which I met for the first time, and lovely people and all our audience there. It's a song called The Wild Rover. So thank you very much for your hospitality, and we will see. Thanks, William.
I've been a wild rover for many years, and to spend all my money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. It's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more.
I went into a nail house I used to frequent. I told the landlady my money's all spent. I asked her for credit, but she answered me nay. Such a custom like yours I can have any day. And it's a no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Very good. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more.
I took out of my pocket 10 sovereign bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have a whiskey and wine of the best, and the words which she had told me were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more.
and to pardon the prodigal son. If they caress me as oft times before, then I swear I will play the wild rover no more. It's no nay, never, no nay, never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, all together, and it's no nay, never, no nay, never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Een steende ovatie hier voor de Dubliners. Dublin Legends, 12 oktober spelen ze in Grain. Sean Cannon, Eamon Campbell, Patsy Watchhorn en Gary O'Connor. Ik ga nog correct even naar Eamon Campbell. Thank you very much.
Oh, wow. That was great, man.
What a joy to play if I see you here.
What a lovely audience.
Yeah. What a lovely musicians are you.
I won't say lovely now.
You have still so much fun to play, isn't it?
Ah, yeah, it's great.
Is that the only reason that you still do it?
Ah, yeah, well, we make a few bob as well, you know, a few euros, just a few, you know.
How hard is it to be on the road still, on your age?
It's just a way of life, you know. It is a way of life.
You do it now for how many years?
Since I was 17, 50. Whoa. 50 years, yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
What did you do before the Dubliners?
I was a freelance guitar player, then a freelance record producer, and loads of things, you know.
What can the people expect when they go into Groningen for the concerts you do in Holland now? What do you play? The old and what newer songs?
Yeah, well, it's pretty much the Dubliners still, you know. I mean, you know, we were the Dubliners, you know. We still are in spirit. Yeah. So we just entertain the people. Once they enjoy it, we're happy.
It will be okay. Hey guys, I've got 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. Is there one song you can play as last? 3 minutes, ja? Is there something? Zijn we nog in proberen of net? Ja! Het publiek wil je wel. Ik zet ze gewoon voor het blok. Het is een live programma en ze hebben dat gewoon. Dus dan moet ik even... er moet nog even een kabel in. Shall I help you with the cable? En dan stellen we gewoon het nice uit. Dan kunnen ze ook net zo volle skillen. Otherwise we're gonna skip the news. Oké. Oké, we krijgen nog hier nog.
Just the first, all right. Molly Malone for you, all right. Just the first,
Okay.
of course.
De Dubliners live in Noorderwien!
That's all. Well, in Dublin, it's fair city, where the girls are so pretty. I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone as she wheeled her wheelbarrow, 2 streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, now, alive, alive, oh, very good, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and sure it was no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, and they both wheeled their barrow, 2 streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and very good, alive, alive, lovely, alive, alive. Let's hear the choir. Alive, alive, crying cockles and mussels, well, alive, alive, oh. Sad verse, very sad. Now she died of a fever. No one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. Now her ghost wheels her barrow, very good, Just can I do that? Streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, all together. Alive, alive, oh, come on. Alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels. Very good. Alive, alive. Last time now. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ireland. Thank you, man.